What real trial lawyers should try to do is to be storytellers. And that's, from my perspective, if you're a good storyteller, you've unraveled the complexity. You've understood what and distilled what the really important parts of your story narrative are, what the important facts are, and you've presented them in a way that resonates in some fundamental way for a jury. So I think visuals help. You have flyaways, you can cut things out, you can bring the jury's attention to specific language, you can highlight things, you can underline things. And you can put up the draft of a contract next to the final contract and say, well, this is the way it was, and they changed it this way, and they must have changed it for a particular reason. All of those things are good uses for that. And the other thing, of course, is that the way you put images together, the way you present images, has a emotional impact on a juror. One of the great things that actors understand, that lawyers maybe don't understand, is the importance of practice and the need for practice. I mean, I have cases where I write the opening 5 times, 7 times, separate openings before I decide on what I'm going to be doing, because it takes me that many times to really become comfortable with what it is that I'm really trying to say. I think that more and more people hire lawyers, they don't hire law firms. So I think that it's important from our perspective that when a client comes in here, the client understand that when they're talking to me, I'm going to be there not just at the intake interview, and I'm not going to be there periodically and just show up at the trial. I'm wedded to that case for the entire duration of that case in a way, and I think that's important because you really can't shape how that case develops over time unless you have a very fundamental hands-on approach to it. What you see is what you get, and I think that's the strength for our law firm.